Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start now by opening settings on your Apple Watch. This is faster than using the paired iPhone. If your watch is asleep, raise your wrist or tap the screen to wake it. Then press the digital crown and locate the gear icon. Once done, tap Display and Brightness to enter the brightness controls. You do this because direct control on the watch is the only way to set immediate brightness levels without changing iPhone settings. You will now change the brightness slider directly. This is where you control screen intensity. Tap the slider to reveal increments or rotate the digital crown for more precise shifts. Move in small steps and pause to read content on the screen so you know how each change affects visibility. Make sure to test under the lighting you typically use the watch in, because ambient light changes why a higher or lower percentage may be needed. Finish by pressing the digital crown to exit. Your setting is applied immediately. Retest in bright sunlight and dim rooms to confirm readability and make small tweaks if the environment changes. If the brightness control is unresponsive or jumps back, restart your watch. Hold the side button and slide to power off, then restart. Also make sure Watch OS is current. Outdated software can cause control glitches. That single tip solves most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.